Do you know the name of this tree?
No.
नो नहीं पता।
No. मुंबई में पेड़ों के लिए कोई कदर तो है ही नहीं। लोग ज्यादा पेड़ों को जानते नहीं है और जानना चाहते भी नहीं है। मेरा नाम सानंदा है और मेरा बैकग्राउंड थिएटर और एजुकेशन में है, लेकिन मैं सबसे खुश पेड़ों के साथ हूँ। So I decided to start a walk called Mumbai Over Story. Now we will walk. अब कहानियों में किसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, और इन पेड़ों के पास तो 100 साल पुरानी कहानियां होंगी। We are meeting the magnificent cannonball tree. It's very, very unique because it is bark blooming. Often the Baniya community would be the first people there inhabiting that space, and therefore the banyan, the name, comes from the same. This is a tree called Barringtonia asiatica, called a fish poison tree. Part of the flower is an anesthetic, so you can kind of put your hooks into it and then do hook line fishing.
Like on the road, I don't walk like this, I walk like this. But I've never known the information about the tree or the history about the tree.
Do you see the leaves, how they look like fish fins? That's why the name fish tail palm. It's called trunk sprouting. It keeps growing its branches from the trunk. The chemical signal in the tree is that I'm under attack. It can't migrate. It can't say, okay, this is an unsafe zone, I'm going to move to a new place.
Trees in our city, unfortunately, are seen as a hindrance. They're seen as something to get out of the way, to build something larger.
तो जैसे हम घर ढूंढते थे तो मैं ब्रोकर से कहती थी कि घर के सामने एक पेड़ होगा तो अच्छा होगा, तो वो ऐसे गमले में लगे हुए पौधों की ओर देख के मुझसे कहते थे, मैडम पेड़।
इसीलिए कंक्रीट जंगल में छिपे असली जंगल के बारे में समझना जरूरी है।
Look at this bugger. ये महाशय, इनका सीजनल टाइम फ्लावरिंग का नहीं है, लेकिन ये अभी भी ब्लूम कर रहे हैं।
So I think what I love the most is how this morning we've looked at trees as people.
People often ask me, how can we save trees? We can hardly save our roads. How are we going to do that?
See, one thing is to take care of the trees, but before that comes the fact that do you even have the time to stand and stare? We don't, and hopefully walks like this encourage you to do that a lot more.
पब्लिक को ये समझ में नहीं आती है कि पेड़ों को हमारी ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें उनकी ज़रूरत है। Trees on the street, Street 91.